Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I want to talk to you guys about RWA coins. And the reason why is if you've not been living under a rock and you've been seeing what's going on in the crypto sphere right now as prices are declining, we're seeing crashing across the board as we look at the top 100 cryptos. Meme coins are getting obliterated. This is a very, very heightened time of fear in the markets for a lot of traders. So I kind of wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of the top 5 RWA altcoins in my opinion, because when you do have these times of turbulence and volatility, a lot of people seek refuge in some of the stronger classes of plays. And for that, guys, we're talking real utility, so RWA, AI, even gaming to an extent. Those have been some of the three niches out there that I have kind of always kind of held true to. So I want to share with you guys what's going on with that. We will get right into it. If you are new to the channel, though, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys rock with me for a couple minutes and giving me some of your time of your day. And let's get right into the kind of the story. All right, we are going to look at the charts, and I'll show you guys kind of a rundown where we're at in terms of RWA. But before we get into it, please remember, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence, and be sure to also give me a follow on X if you have not already done so. The reason why is I do post things from time to time on there. My handle is in the bottom left of your screen for those of you that do not know, okay? And I want to show a little bit of what's going on here on CoinMarketCap. And we are going to look into the kind of the categories in terms of what's going on. And we are going to look into RWA right here, right now, as we dive into the top world assets by token market capitalization, okay? First and foremost, if you want to look into the top 5 as it stands today, Chainlink having a very impressive 2024-2025 run. AVAX, Hedera, HBAR, Mantra, and then Ondo rounding it out as we get into the 6th. And then we can go further down the list, VeChain, Algorand, Injective, Maker, XDC, Quant, and those are just a few that we do talk about every so often. Now, the reason why I said I was going to talk about the top 5 is because Ondo rounds out that 5th spot, and that is one of the cryptos that I firmly believe in. And if you guys have not been following the markets, let me give you a quick insight. Ondo just dipped below $1 for the first time in a long time. And this is something where we're going to have to go back and look back on the charts where it was roughly around November of 2024 was the last time Ondo went below $1. Okay, so this is the chart as it stands, but over the last year, guys, please appreciate the fact that Ondo is still trading at a 124% increase. This was a crypto that we were talking about on the channel at 40, 50 cents. So this is something where it has paid off and it has been very rewarding to me. And if you are still holding Ondo, that's kind of where you've been able to experience even from those times, 4, 5, 6x even from those price levels. So we're on a dip. It's on a very big discount, if you will. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, but Ondo is one of my favorite cryptos in the space. Couple that with the narrative going on in Washington with Donald Trump, and we have the recipe for a big possibility here. Now, Ondo's one I did single out. I do want to kind of dive further into Chainlink and HBAR. Those are 2 cryptos that I firmly believe in as well. Chainlink right now down below $15 for the first time in a long time. So another discount on IO3 as we look at the all-time price for Chainlink. Hit highs above $50 and now seemingly looks like a little bit of a discount. And now Chainlink, I will tell you guys, is one of those plays that I did not buy because we were trading robustly, outperforming the rest of the market up around $30 per link. And now at a almost more than 50% discount, this is a crypto that's going to open up my eyes a little bit, might get some more exposure to Link at these levels, but I'm taking more of a wait and see approach personally, see what's going on with everything. And when the dust settles, we'll know when to buy, okay? Hedera, that's the other one that I do favor quite a bit within the top 5. If you want to look at it right now, this is a crypto that's kind of shown some resilience, though, in my personal opinion. Okay, they were one of the first major movers in the market, getting over 30 cents, looking like it seemingly would push 40 cents on the chart. And then, guys, since then, it slowly did dip down, but a lot of traders were buying HBAR, as we talked about, at 4, 5, 6 cents on the channel. Super bullish on HBAR, and we were still in the profit zone, but seemingly looking like we wish we had that 50% back, as a lot of traders do. But Hedera HBAR is one that I am set up for the long haul as well. Okay, so that's kind of my thoughts and sentiment. Always remember, these are not buy and sell alerts. Please be sure to do your own research and due diligence. But I kind of want to look into this article coming out yesterday from Coin Edition, going over the top 5 RWA altcoins in 2025 realistic price targets. They're going to be talking about a lot of the ones that we did talk about. But more so, they talked about Chainlink. This is something where, as we look into where Chainlink is going to settle, and you can see even from yesterday to today, these prices have gotten even lower, okay? Talking about upside, me personally, guys, I'm not going to look into this because I know the upside. We just saw it at over $30 a link. So if you're looking to swing trade, you know, you don't really need to read articles to do that. You should be able to do that if you are a swing trader. But I think that a lot of these cryptos are going to have a bounce back, and RWA is one of those that I do think will hit because of what the United States, in terms of government and the initiative taken for Ondo finance. We talk about David Sachs and stuff. Ondo is one of my higher conviction plays for myself and my holdings, okay? But maintaining that conversation on Link, I believe that Link can get to all-time highs. Despite that, Ondo, more resistance that we're seeing. The $1 psychological level, we did dip below and recently retrace under that. So a recovery into $1.15 will be a challenge. I personally think that's all BS, because I think that if we get some bullish news and a more broader market sentiment, that's kind of where I see Ondo just instantly above $1.15. Okay, Mantra, I don't have any exposure to this crypto, full disclosure. A lot of people like Mantra. And right now, as a cheaper price, it kind of has some legs, because a lot of traders out there, especially these cryptos that are above $1, they just think that it's some psychological thing where Mantra, without knowing what they bring to the table, you know, Chainlink's trading at $50. They do the same kind of utility in some form or fashion, and Mantra's under $10. People are going to gravitate more to this. So that's something to keep in mind. A little bit volatile as we look into kind of the daily chart, but still at around $8 and being one of the top 4 RWA cryptos. This is another one that should be on your radar. Pendle, I disagree with this one personally, but it's the same kind of analysis that I'll give you guys on Mantra. Another crypto in RWA that's on a discount, so keep in mind that for future future price moves. Maker, that's one that I don't mind, as I don't mind that one at all. But trading at $14.69. Keep this one on your radar. This is only a $1.2+ billion market cap, and it's very interesting. But this is something where I've had a little bit of exposure to that in terms of just what it appeals to me. But this is something where it's a little bit volatile. There are a lot of dips, but out of the RWA sector, this is just kind of a recap of the price analysis that's been going on recently. But me personally, guys, like I told you, my top RWA plays within the top 5, without going too much down the list and kind of trying to pick winners, which we can do, but my top plays and convictions lie within HBAR, Chainlink, and Ondo in terms of RWA. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I appreciate you guys all rock with me on the channel. Before you exit this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also be sure to give me a follow on X. And I appreciate you guys all giving me a couple minutes of your time, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.